Galvanize helps you do more with less through automation and data analysis. ACL Robotics goes way beyond any simple analytic solution or BI technology, running your data access, reporting, and workflow tasks from beginning to end. It cuts down on the number of tools you need and provides accurate data in real time. ACL Robotics transforms how you work by freeing you from repetitive and tedious tasks like accessing and normalizing data, reconciling data between two financial systems, creating recurring reports, and more. What once took you hours or days now takes minutes or seconds, giving you the time to uncover new insights. For example, let's look at how Kathy, who is responsible for finance and IT controls in her organization, uses ACL Robotics to streamline her processes. Her vision is to automate as much as possible, to have real-time assurance that controls are effective, and to free up her time to work on value-add tasks that require more human interaction. Today, she's getting started with unauthorized access. She implements ACL Robotics for testing and monitoring unauthorized access controls in 3 steps. First, Kathy performs the testing process from beginning to end. Then, she records those steps in ACL Robotics to make them repeatable. Finally, she schedules a robot to run the process on the right frequency, daily, monthly, or quarterly, depending on her needs. With ACL Robotics, Kathy has reduced her risk exposure, increased her efficiency, and reduced her organization's cost of compliance. Let's dive deeper into those 3 steps. The first step involves the testing process. To perform the test, Kathy needs to access the employee data from the HR system, Active Directory, ERP, and other systems, depending on the scope of the test. She quickly accesses the data she needs because ACL Robotics provides an easy-to-use interface to access any data source and business application, including a native, read-only certified connector for SAP. She gathers and prepares the data to analyze and validate the control environments. Here, Kathy is comparing the list of members of Active Directory groups with administrative privileges to a list of authorized users. She has found 4 active users with admin rights who aren't authorized for this level of access. This means the control is not effective and admin privileges for those 4 employees must be revoked immediately and the control fixed. Most likely, if Kathy was only sample testing once a quarter, she wouldn't have uncovered this unauthorized access, leaving the organization vulnerable. For the second step, Kathy moves on to make this test repeatable. In ACL Robotics, all the clicks and commands performed during the testing are logged and can be transformed into a script. Think of this script as a series of commands that the robot will perform going forward. Luckily for Kathy, Galvanize provides Script Hub and pre-built robots, which include scripts for the most common tests for IT and finance controls. This puts Kathy way ahead of the game. Instead of creating her own from scratch, she downloads the pre-built robots from her library. Change management, version control, and audit trail assure her that the test will run as it was defined. Now the controls are being continuously monitored, mitigating data privacy risk and meeting regulatory requirements. With everything in place, it's time for the third step, automating the process with a robot. Kathy names her robot Alfred. She schedules Alfred to perform this process every night, email her if and when it finds failures, and issue a remediation ticket to HR to action. As Alfred does this important but tedious task and workflows ensure appropriate people take action, Kathy sits back and monitors her storyboard with peace of mind. The outcome of these automation and monitoring workflows are dashboards she shares with the business, audit committee, and regulators. In real time, it shows the state of cybersecurity controls, data privacy compliance, and risk management. To summarize all of this, ACL Robotics increases your test coverage by giving you the ability to access and analyze all of your organization's data. It provides repeatability and brings efficiency by organizing all your testing and monitoring processes in a single repository with change management, an audit trail, and version control. It increases your team's capacity by automating repetitive tasks. It reduces risk exposure by automating the monitoring and assessment of controls using robots and workflows. It provides real-time management and executive dashboards to report on controls health, key risk indicators, and compliance coverage. And finally, as your program matures, applying machine learning techniques makes the robot more intelligent as it learns from your data and the trends in your organization. ACL Robotics comes standalone in different editions or as part of the HiBond platform, Whether you're an IT security, finance, audit, compliance, or risk management professional, discover how ACL Robotics can optimize the way you work. Learn more at wegalvanize.com.